Hello children. So today in coordinate geometry of 10th class in exercise 7.1 we are doing the 11th one. If the distance between 2 points x comma 7 and 1 is 10, find the value of x. So here the distance between the 2 points is given as 10. Then you have to find what is the value of the x. Okay. So let us take one point as let a is equal to x comma 7 and b is equal to comma 15. Given distance between a and b, distance between a and b is equal to 10. Okay, so that is a is equal to x comma 7, b is equal to 1 comma 15. Mark this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Find the distance between a and b. Write the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole is equal to 10. That is square root of, what is x2 here? 1 minus x1 is x whole square plus y2 is 15 minus y1 is 7 whole square is equal to 10. Okay, so now 1 minus x whole square. Apply distance formula. So already yesterday we have done a minus b whole square. We will use this formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab. Can you see this? I'll write here down. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are using this expansion to expand 1 minus x whole square. So that is square root of, here a is 1 and b is x. So a square means 1 square minus 2, a is 1, b is x. Next 15 minus 7. How much is 15 minus 7? 15 minus 7 is 8. So 8 square. 15 minus 7 is 8. I am applying square to 8. 8 square is equal to 10. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides of the equation. Squaring both sides. So what you will get? Square root of 1 square is 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into x is 2x plus x square plus 8 8 is 64. I am squaring here is equal to 10 square. Okay. So now write here square and square root gets cancelled. So what is left here? 1. First I will write the x square term. So here I am writing the x square term first. X square, then 2x term. You have minus 2x, minus 2x. This is 1 plus 64. You will get plus 65 is equal to 10 square. 10 into 10 is 100. Okay. Now bring this 100 inside. So I will get x square minus 2x plus 65. This is plus 100. If I bring it to the left side, it becomes minus 100 is equal to 0. So x square minus 2x. 100 minus 65 is how much? Minus 100 plus 65. 1 is plus 65 minus. When you have 1 plus and 1 minus, you should always subtract. So 100 minus 65 is 35, but the bigger number sign is minus. So I will get minus 35. Minus 35 is equal to 0. Okay. Now you have to find the factors of this one. So the coefficient before x square is 1. So 1 into 35 is minus 35. Write the factors such that the sum is minus 2. You can write it as 7 5s are 35. Okay. So here I want minus sign. So the bigger number sign should be minus. So this is minus. So minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. So I am splitting this minus 2 as minus 7x plus 5x. So this is x square minus 7x minus 0. Okay, so now from these two terms, you take x into x minus 7 as one term and 5 into x minus 7 as the other term. From these two terms, what you can take out common? And write here. Can you see this? I'll write here. So I can take out x minus 7 common. So here, if I remove x minus 7, I have x, and in this term, if I take out x minus 7, I have plus 5. So next, I will write x minus 7, I am equating it to 0, and x plus 5 also I am equating to 0. I want the value of x. So bring this 7 to the right side. So this 7 becomes, minus 7 becomes plus 7. Also bring plus 5 to the right side. So I will get plus 5 as minus 5. Okay. So now find the value of x. So the values of x are 7 and minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 5. Okay. So this is your answer. Okay. Now next, let us do the next one. So this is the 11th solution for the 11th question. Copy this all of you. Next, we will do the 12th one. 12th question in your exercise 7.1. Okay. So the 12th question is, write down 12th one. Find the value of y. Find the value of y for which the distance between 10 comma y is 10 units. Is 10 units. So this is also similar to the 11th one. So here also 2 points are given. The 2 points are given as P and Q, and the distance between P and Q is given as 10 units. So in Q, the second coordinate y is not given. You have to find out y. Again apply a plus b whole b square. So this is the formula I am using to expand y plus 3 whole square. Here a is y, b is 3. So I'll get a square. So this is the formula I am using to expand y plus 3 whole square. Here a is y, b is 3. So I'll get a square, that is y square plus 2ab. A is y. This plus 100, bring it to the left side. It becomes minus 100 is equal to 0. So y square plus 27 is equal to 0. So now factorize. Write the factors of 27. So write the factors. 9 3s is 27. I have plus sign here. So the bigger number should be minus 27. No? So I'll write 9 minus 3. 9y minus 3y. Okay, this is minus 27. So I'll get minus there. So y square. So I'll write minus plus 9y minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. I'll explain this once again. Here you have minus 27. So write that minus 27. You have to write the factors of minus 27 in such a way. When you multiply this, you have to get minus 27. When you add these two, you should get the coefficient of y. So 9 3s is 27. I am putting plus sign here because the coefficient of y is plus here. The bigger number is 9 and the bigger number sign should be plus here. Now among these two, you take out y common. So here y is there. From this, if you remove y, 9 is there. Both 3 and 27, and take out 3 common. So what is left out here? Y. This is plus 9 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 9 or y is equal to 3. Okay. So here y values are y is equal to, in your exercise 7.1 of coordinate geometry. The question is find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2 and passes through -5, 6. The question is, find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2 and passes through -5, 6. So here what he is asking to find? He is asking to find the radius. So you take any one point on the circle which is -5, 6. Let us take this as point P. You can name it anything. You can take this as A, B, capital A, capital B, or you can take it as OP or any capital letter. So join O to P. So what you'll get here? O to P is nothing but radius. Okay. Radius is nothing but the line joining from center to any point on the circle is called as radius. OP is the radius here. That is the distance from O to P gives the radius of the circle. So here what is O here? O is the center. Center coordinates are given as 3, 2. Okay. So let us take. Okay. So let us write what is given first. So write down given circle. Given circle with center 3, 2 and passing through the point -5, 6. Let us take, let O is equal to 3, 2 and P is equal to -5, 6. Okay, distance from O to P is equal to radius of circle. Radius of circle. Here we have to find the radius of the circle, which means if we find the distance from O to P, then we'll get the radius of the circle. So radius is equal to, apply the formula, distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now in place of x1 y1 and x2 y2, substitute the values. Okay, so substitute the values and check what you are getting. That gives the radius of the circle. So let us substitute. So radius is equal to square root of x2. What is x2 here? -5. -5 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus y2. y2 is 6 minus y1. y1 is 2 whole square. So that is square root of, here you have 2 minus. Whenever you have 2 minus signs, you have to add and put that minus sign only. Okay. Whenever you have 2 same signs, you have to add 5 plus 3. If you have 5 plus 3, which means this is plus 5 plus 3. 2 signs, so you'll add and put the sign plus here. Okay. Here you have -5 and -3. 2 same signs. So you have to add 5 plus 3 is 8 and put the same sign minus. So I'll get -8 whole square plus 6 minus 2. 1 plus 1 minus, always we subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. Bigger number sign is plus, so 4 square. Okay. So now this is -8 whole square. -8 whole square is nothing but this square is applied to both minus and also to 8. Minus into minus is plus. Plus 8 into 8 is 64. So get plus 64 plus 4 fours is 16. Okay. So 64 plus 16. Add up. 64 and 16. Okay. Add up. So you'll get, this is 10. 6, 7, 8. So this is root 80. Okay. So root 80. Write it as factors. Write the factors of 80. So I'll get 2 fours are, 2 zeros are, 2 twos are, 2 zeros are, 2 tens are, 2 fives are. Okay, so you can write it as square root of 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5. So this is nothing but 2 into 2. So we know how to find the square root. Among 4 squares, I should bring 2 squares out into root 5. This is 2 2s are 4 root 5. Okay, so radius is equal to 4 root 5 square units. Sorry, not square units, 4 root 5 units. Square is applied only for area because he has given us find the radius. Just you write units. Okay, and here this root 80 you can simplify in another way. Can you see if I write here? You can directly do it as, if you know 16 table, you can write it as 16 5s are 80. That is root 16 into root 5. Root 16 is 4, 4 root 5. Okay, if you know 16 table directly, you can write it like this. Otherwise, factorize it and do it like this. Equal to 4 root 5 units. So, in this way, we have to find the solution for the 13th one. So, here, the answer is 4 root 5 units. Now, next, do the 14th one. So, the 14th one is, can you draw a triangle? Vertices. 3 vertices are given, and whether you can draw or not, you have to give reason. Okay, I am rubbing this one. Now all of you copy the 14th one. Okay. Write the 14th one. You know what are vertices? The 14th question is in exercise 7.1. This is the 14th one. Can you draw a triangle? Can you draw a triangle with vertices 1, 5, 5, 8 and 13, 14. 13, 14. Give reason. Give reason. Okay, so when you copy the vertices points, you write it carefully. Don't make mistake. This is 1, 5, 5, 8, 13, 14. So a triangle is given. So let us draw one triangle. So here these points are called as vertices. Let us mark this as A, B, C. Okay. Take this as 1, 5, this one as 5, 8 and C as 13, 14. Okay. So now find the distance between AB, BC and CA. Apply distance formula. Okay, so first write down, let A is equal to 1, 5, B is equal to 5, 8, C is equal to 13, 14. Okay, why we are finding the distance here? Why we are finding the distance between the 2 points? In order to say whether the vertices, whether we can form a triangle with the vertices, whether we can form a triangle with the given vertices or not. I will end of doing this problem. Okay, find the distance between AB. Okay, so write point 1, 5, B is 5, 8. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So write the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is, substitute the value, x2 is 5, x1 is 1 whole square plus y2. y2 is 8, y1 is 5 whole square. Okay. So I'll write one, can write one more step. You can see here, 5 minus 1 is 4 square plus 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 square. Right here. 4 square is 16. Okay. Plus 9. How much is 16 plus 9? Square root of 25. How much is square root of 25? 5 5 is 25. This is 5. So AB, the distance from A to B is 5. Okay. Now next, let us find the distance from B to A. So here we got as 5 units. Okay. Next find out BC. BC. So write the coordinates of B 5, 8, coordinates of C 13, 14. The points x1, y1, x2, y2. Whenever you are doing, always write the formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In your exam, always you have to write the formula. Okay. Don't do the substitution directly. I'll write the one more step. I'll write here. Okay. So that is equal to, can you see if I write here? Write little bit down. Is equal to square root of, can you see it? Okay. x2. x2 is 13 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 is 14 minus 8 whole square. So this is 13 minus 5 is 8, 8 square. BC is equal to 10 units. Okay. So we got AB is equal to 5 now. Write this in brackets. AB is equal to 5 we got here and BC is equal to 10. This is 10 units. Then find the distance between A and C. You can write CA or AC. Anyway you can find, the distance will be same. Okay. So CA. So this is 13, 14. Coordinates of A are 1, 5. So this is x1, y1 and x2, y2. Write the distance formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So substitute the values. x2 is 1 minus x1 is 13 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is 14 whole square. Root of 1 minus 13 is how much? Minus 12. Minus 12 whole square plus 5 minus 14. Okay. So 13 is the bigger number and the sign before the bigger number is minus. So I have to write minus 12. This is square. Whole square. Similarly, here also this is 5 means plus 5. You have plus 5 minus 14. 1 plus 1 minus. So always subtract. 14 minus 5 is 9 and the sign between 5 and 14, 14 is the bigger number and the sign of bigger number is minus. So I'll get minus 9 whole square. Okay. So this is equal to, so whenever you are expanding, the square applies to minus also, square applies to 12 also. Minus into minus is plus. 12 into 12. 12 12 is 144. Okay. This is plus. Now inside bracket. Inside bracket, minus into minus is plus. 9 9s are 81. So now add up 144 and 81. So this is 5. Then 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. 225. So can you see if I write here? This is nothing but square root of 225. Can you see 225? What is the square root of 225? 15 is the. So how you will get it? 15. I'll write the factors here. Okay, I'll write here. Then I'll erase it. For 225, 5 fours is 20. 2 will be left. 25 becomes. Then 5 5s is 25. Again with 9. 5 9s are 45. 3 3s are 9. So square root of 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So whenever you bring the numbers out from the square root, for two numbers you have to write the one number out. For these two 5s I am writing 1 out. These writing 3 out. So 5 3s is 15. Okay. So in this way the square root of 225 is 15. Okay. This is your rough work. Copy it. Now I am erasing this. So now this 15 is the distance from A to C. So this is AC. AC is equal to 15. Okay. Now if you observe here, I am erasing this one. He is asking, can you draw a triangle with the vertices? I am erasing this part so that I can explain it. And remember this, AB is equal to 5. This is 10. This is 15. Distance from A to B is 5. The continuation of that part I am writing here. So here AB is equal to 5. BC is equal to 10. and AC or CA is equal to 15. Now when you draw it, it looks something like this. A, B, C. A to B distance is 5, B to C distance is 10 and A to B distance is 15. Okay, so what you can see that A, B, C are lying on the same line. This A, B, C are lying on the same line. So if the points are lying on the same line, then the points are said to be collinear points. Okay, points lying on the same line are said to be collinear points. If the points are collinear, we cannot draw a triangle. Okay, so this one I have drawn to show whether the vertices will be formed or not. So this figure we cannot draw. Okay, using this vertices. Okay, this you have to draw in the rough. Okay, so therefore, so you write down, this is for your understanding I have drawn. You can just draw like this if you want. Okay, since A, B, C lie on a line, A, B, C are collinear points. A, B, C collinear. Therefore, collinear points. Therefore, we cannot draw a triangle. We cannot draw triangle with the given vertices. Comma y is equidistant from the two given points. So let us take, let this point we will take it as P. Let P is minus 2 comma 8 minus 3 comma minus 5. Okay, so it is given that you have to find the relation between x and y such that this point P is equidistant from the two given points. We are marking them as A and B. Suppose if this is A and this is B. This point P is equidistant from A and B, which means the distance from A to P is equal to distance from P to A. Okay, so you can write it as given AP is equal to PB. AP is equal to PB. Okay, even if you find the distance from P to B or B to A, it is same only. If you find the distance from A to P or P to A also, it is same only. Okay, so first let us find the distance from A to B and then find the distance from P to B. Then equate both the distances and find what is the relation between x and y. So let us first find distance between A to P. Okay, AP means distance from A to P. Write the coordinates of A, minus 2 comma 8. P is x comma y. This is x1 y1 and x2 y2. Write the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so I'll do here, you can see. So now substitute the values. This is equal to x2. x2 is x minus x1. And x2 value as x here, because x2 value I have x. This minus sign I am writing here. x1, in place of x1 I have minus 2. So I'll write that minus 2. x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2. What is y2 here? y2 is y. y minus y1. y1 is 8. 8 square. Okay, so simplify this. This is x minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square. So I have to use a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula. So what is a plus b and a minus b whole square formulas? I'll write here. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a plus b, you have to apply this one. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here in place of a I have 2. In place of b I have, in place of a I have x. In place of b I have 2. A square means I'll get x square plus 2ab. 2. In place of a I have x. In place of b I have 2 plus b square. Okay. The entire thing I am putting in brackets plus I'll explain this once again. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a is x, b is 2. Okay, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I'll get a square means x square plus 2. Again 2ab. 2a is x, b is 2 here. Plus b square. Here b is 2. So 2 square. Let's simplify this. A minus b whole square. Apply this formula. Here a is y, b is 8. So a square means I get y square minus 2. A is y, b is 8 plus b square. So I'll get 8 square. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this? You cannot see this one? Gone, huh? It's not coming. It stopped here only. Not yet.